Welcome to BNUM Design.
HTML course. HTML attributes. The Href attribute, the src, alt, style, lang, title, single or double quotes. Part 5. HTML attributes. All HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes provide additional information about an element. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Attributes usually come in name/value pairs like name equals value. The Href attribute. HTML links are defined with a tag. The link address is specified in the Href attribute. You will learn more about links and the a tag later in this course. The src attribute. HTML images are defined with the img tag. The file name of the image source is specified in the src attribute. The width and height attributes. HTML images also have width and height attributes, which specifies the width and height of the image. The width and height are specified in pixels by default, so width equals 500 means 500 pixels wide. You will learn more about images in the alt attribute. The alt attribute specifies an alternative text to be used if an image cannot be displayed. The value of the alt attribute can be read by screen readers. This way, someone listening to the web page, e.g. a vision-impaired person, can hear the element. The alt attribute is also useful if the image cannot be displayed, e.g. if it does not exist. See what happens if we try to display an image that does not exist. Try it yourself. The style attribute. The style attribute is used to specify the styling of an element, like color, font, size, etc. You will learn more about styling later in this course, and in our CSS course. The lang attribute. The language of the document can be declared in the HTML tag. The language is declared with a lang attribute. Declaring a language is important for accessibility applications, screen readers, and search engines. The first two letters specify the language, N. If there is a dialect, add two more letters, US. The title attribute. Here, a title attribute is added to the P element. The value of the title attribute will be displayed as a tooltip when you mouse over the paragraph. We suggest, use lowercase attributes. The HTML5 standard does not require lowercase attribute names. The title attribute can be written with uppercase or lowercase like title or title. BNUM recommends lowercase in HTML, and demands lowercase for stricter document types like XHTML. We suggest, quote attribute values. The HTML5 standard does not require quotes around attribute values. The Href attribute, demonstrated above, can be written without quotes. BNUM recommends quotes in HTML, and demands quotes for stricter document types like XHTML. Sometimes it is necessary to use quotes. This example will not display the title attribute correctly, because it contains a space. Using quotes are the most common. Omitting quotes can produce errors. At BNUM Design we always use quotes around attribute values. Single or double quotes. HTML attributes. Below is an alphabetical list of some attributes often used in HTML, which you will learn more about in this course. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.